Hi friends, this is the new upgraded 2020 versions of laser tag guns, and as you can see these are the infrared laser tag guns with vests. There are 4 packs and this is for kids and adults for the fun play, activity, multiplayer games as a gift. And you can see these are 4 different colors of the guns and matching vest for that. So the 4 players can play, or they can make a 2 player each, and I will show you that. This is the manual that comes with it. It explains all the games and the features, and you also explain like how you can play different games. So these all are same, all the different colors though, but they all are same. So I will show you this blue one, and you can see it's made of plastic, and it's really good quality. This seems to be, and it requires battery, so you have to add your own battery, and those are like double A batteries, so 3 batteries in each. So you need 3 batteries for the gun, 3 batteries for the vest, and this is the strap that goes, and you have to fit this. So once you put in the strap, you can add this on your vest. So I'm just opening the slot to show like the battery thing. So as I mentioned that it requires 3 AA batteries, and I'm adding it here and just start it. So the light prompt will start and it will take one color. So each team, like the gun and the vest, should have the same color on it, so that by accident you will not just shoot yourself. So this is the gun, and you can see the gun is also like good quality, not that like a weight. And then the guns have both the sensors, so it have a infrared sensor like to sense like the below part, and the one is to shoot the infrared rays, so as a bullet. And the good thing is that it have the the bullet low, battery low, all those indicators. So it also requires 3 AA batteries, so I add in this, and now starting the game. So this is the on and off switch. I started it, and then it will say like 1 2 3 and it will start. I will show that whole demo in the middle of this video. So as I mentioned, 2 sensors and the color coding, this both color code should go there. 2 buttons, so one is to select the different modes like shotgun, single shot, machine gun, missile, and the other one is to choose the color like this 2 yellow button. And then once it's set, you can start shooting and it will just take. But here, like because the both are of blue, it's not hitting it, so I will explain that later on. And then for the refill the bullet, you will see like it says the bullet you need to refill, and you have to press that yellow button on the bottom, and then the bullet will be reloaded. So as a demo of the whole system, I will just show it to you now. So as I mentioned, like you can now listen to the voice or the making. So once you start this, the different color codings, and then you start your gun like by F, and then so you can see like how the voice it is producing. And there is a color code here on the gun, and there is a color code here on the vest, and you have to adjust it with this button. The first one, you will see the different color will come, and you have to choose, and then you have to shoot. So now the other thing is for the shotgun or the single shot. You can listen to that voice prompt, so it explains you everything. So as I said, the single color, same color will not shoot vest, even though the color of the vest are different. You have to manually adjust the colors on both. And the good thing in this is like even if you don't want to use the vest, you can just use the gun. And for the play, and if somebody shoot on the gun, that also takes the sensor and the life is calculated. So So now if you see, like, I can change the color, and now you can see if I hit it once, the light start blinking. So there are 3 lights in the light. So if I click more, all the 3 is gone, and then it start vibrating. So that means this person life is gone, and this game is over for him. You can see now here it's totally vibrating, and in full vibration mode. So as I mentioned, total 4 colors and 4 things, but you can also play only with the guns. It's a fun play, and it have like everything, the sensors for the battery. It's a really good game.